love the continued learning point, and it's one of my favorites.
I reread Atomic Habits, parts of it, yearly, because I always feel like it's good to get those tune-ups to make sure, because, you know, for us, Austin, so many people look to us for inspiration, guidance, education when it comes to finance and mindset. So for me, I always want to make sure that I'm tuned up and that I'm thinking and functioning optimally, because then that helps me help others in so many more ways and just keeps me top notch.